Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast, and we have system number one of two this week moving through. Again, this isn't a huge deal. If you put on the station plots, you can see temperatures are in the 40s to the south. This is not a cold storm. To the north, they are in the teens, 20s, and 30s. That's where we're seeing a little bit of accumulating snow. And as we press through today, we will see additional light accumulation in the mountains. Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, New York. But as you move south, here's a look around 6 p.m. You might say, well, shoot, we might see some snowfall along I 90. Well, take a look at the temperatures around that time along I 90. 35, 32, 34. Unless you're in the higher elevations, this is not going to accumulate much more than a coating, I would say. Here's a look 7 p.m., 8, 9, 10. Rain snow line might actually creep northward this evening. And if you look at the temperatures around 10 p.m., you'll see they actually rise a few degrees back into the middle 30s, still in the 40s along the coast. And then tonight, that moves through rather quickly. And by about 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, everything's done. And we're left with dry conditions. How much snow? Not a ton, but in the higher elevations, up to 6 inches in northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, 1 to 3 inches in most of the rest of Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, and northern New York. A trace of snow along the Mass Pike, and a lot of this is not going to be really even affecting pavement at all. So Wednesday is a pretty good day. A little warmer, not too bad, but then a cold front and a clipper is going to move through here late in the day on Wednesday, especially Wednesday night. A period of snow showers in the north. And this model run does kind of miss a lot of southern New England with this system. And you look at the totals, not that impressive. You see, most of this model run misses southern areas. However, if you look at our other data, you'll notice that actually impacts a lot of the region, but it's a quick hitter again. And you'll notice the amounts with this one, not that impressive, really at all. A trace to 1/10 of an inch. And if you look at that in terms of snow, you'll see that, again, it's a trace to an inch or two. And honestly, along the coast, this is not going to accumulate. So Groton, New Haven, New York, Cape Cod, this is not going to impact pavement. Why do I say that? Well, look at these temps as the snow moves through. Again, keep in mind the snow happens overnight or Wednesday night here. Temperatures are in the 30s along the coast. So it might snow, but it's not going to accumulate. But inland, it is cold enough for some of that accumulation. So coating to an inch possible. Massachusetts, interior, southern New England, parts of northern New England as well. And then once that's out of here for Thursday, it's a chilly day. Temperatures may fall during the day. Dry though. And we'll stay dry into Friday and even into early Saturday. Now, the key here is we do have a system on the way for late in the weekend. It may start as just a little bit of wintry mix Saturday night, a little freezing drizzle or something inland. Not a big deal. The bigger story could be a rainy Sunday across a lot of New England and really all of the Northeast. Now, this isn't a blockbuster of a storm. It's, a trace to 1/4 of an inch south. It's 1/4 to 3/4 north, but likely in the form of mostly rain and not snow. Now, for anybody looking beyond this week, there is the risk of some snow still to the north, but our time is limited, I think, for snowfall in southern New England and in the mid-Atlantic, as it should be by the second week of March, but we'll be watching it as we move forward. For now, though, you look at the total snow over the next 7 days. Up north, we could have some. If I take out that weekend risk, it's really just today's snow that puts down 3 to 6 inches far north. So that's what we got for you today. Again, a pretty benign pattern generally. The amounts are not impressive, but a few quick moving systems that could provide at least some snowfall north and then a little bit of rain down to the south. Have a great day.